Multiply any 3 digits numbers by 11. This is trick number 2 in Vedic maths. 998 is a 3 digits number multiplied by 11. The answer for this is 8, 7, 9, 0, 1. This is the answer when you multiply 998 by 11. I will teach you how to solve it within few seconds. If you watch the complete video, you will be definitely learn any 3 digits numbers multiplied by 11 within few seconds. In traditional method, I will multiply 325 into 11. 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. This is step number 1. Once again, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. This is step number 2. Add these two steps. That is 5, 5 plus 2 7, 2 plus 3 5 and 3. This is the third step. We are taking 3 steps to solve this sum. Whereas in case of Vedic maths, in a single step, we will get the answer. That one I will show you in the next slides. Vedic maths, trick number 2. We are going to multiply 136 into 11. The rightmost number is 6. Write as it is. The 6, copy down the same number. The 3 is next to 6. Add both numbers. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. It is a single digit number. So write it here. And then add 3 plus 1. 1 is next to the 3. Then write it 4. Now last number is 1. That has to be written here 1. This is the answer. 1496 is your answer when you multiply 136 into 11. I will show one more examples. 288 multiplied by 11. Same way you have to write it. That is, the last right hand side number is 8. Write it as it is. The next number is 8. 8 plus 8. Here you are getting 16. 16 is a double digit number. So what you have to write? You write only 6 and carry 1 upon the 8. Now the next number is 2, leftmost number. If you add 2 plus 8 plus 1, then you will get 11. 1 carry down. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. You write it here. 3168 is your answer. Now I will do one more sum, that is a bigger number, 593 multiplied by 11. Similar way, last number is 3, write it as it is. And the next number is 9. 9 plus 3 is a double digit number, that is a 12. 2 you have to write it here. 1 has to be carried upon 9. Then last number is 5. 5 plus 9 plus 1 is 15. 15 also double digit number. So hence write 5 and carry upon 1 on 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Write it here. Your answer is 6523. One more number I will do it. 998 multiplied by 11. Last number on the right side is 8. Carry down 8 as it is. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 is a double digit number. Hence we have to write 7 and 1 should be carried on 9. Then last number is 9. Left to last number is 9. 9 plus 9 plus 1. That is 19. 1 is carried upon 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Isn't it? 10. That is 10,978 is your answer. Is it not easy? In a single step, we are solving the sum when any 3 digit numbers are multiplied by 11.